Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. September is a very heavy one for Tomica Limited Vintage TLV because many new items are releasing, and for today, there's a surprise. This is the TLV Nissan GTR Nismo lock-on exclusive for Hong Kong market. It's the very first TLV for Hong Kong, and it caught everyone by surprise because naturally we will assume that TLV has come from Japan, but no. This one came out from Hong Kong, and for today, it's something which I've been waiting for a while, and it has finally arrived. And this is the TLV Honda Civic Type R EK9. From here, what you can see is the very first release from TLV is the 97 Honda Civic Type R in A, and that is white. The second wave is the 99 Civic Type R in yellow. So although they look very similar, there are differences. I have did a review on my YouTube channel previously. Do head down to my link for all my Type R review as well as for the Nissan GTR lock-on exclusive. The sole distributor, I believe, is Money Limited. The whole look and feel of the packaging is different. It comes in a very striking color yellow with the line art. For the white version, is reverse black in white key line, so it's very unique. One thing I'm very sure is it's also a one-time run. Now, let's take a look at the casting. So here you have the 97 Civic Type R is out from its package. This Civic Type R is very similar to the very first Civic Type R that was launched by TLV, except that it do not have a carbon hood, but this one has. So that's the only difference. I have made a very close up comparison between the two myself, and I can't see any difference except for the carbon hood. So this is the only difference that we have for the Hong Kong exclusive. It's a nice variation and a nice addition. I personally wish that it could be a different color, but the different color scheme may be reserved for the Japan release. So start with the carbon hood. It's very nice, very detailed here. I love the carbon finish. Very nice. I believe this is the very first carbon hood for Tomica Limited Vintage, so it's going to be a very nice variation to be added to your existing Type R collection for TLV. It's very cool. The next one is the more popular one, and that is the yellow version. The yellow version has proven to be a very popular hit. In 1 or 2 weeks, they will come out with the RX-7, which is also in yellow. And I believe that it will prove to be a very popular casting because it resembles the initial Redsuns version. However, it's totally the same as the regular release. It's just that it has a carbon hood finish. Let me just put the regular version side by side. You can see almost no differences. Even for the markings, it's the same, except for the carbon hood. The carbon is very detailed, very nice. Let me just get the focus right. Very awesome. In gloss finish. So for Type R lover, rejoice, because there's another variant coming out from TLV for the Hong Kong exclusive to add on to your collection. And I do hope I can see more TLV exclusive coming out from other markets as well, not just Hong Kong but other markets. Now let me put the Hong Kong exclusive Type R side by side. Very nice, true to the TLV's true scale standard. It's flawless. So alright then, thanks everyone for tuning in to my review, and please remember to subscribe to Hot Custom YouTube channel. I do upload videos to my channel almost daily. Thanks everybody for the support. Goodbye and good night.